Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be something different than my usual week vlog. I was planning and organizing a sport event this week and I thought it would be interesting to take you guys along the process. The first step, what I did is to invite people over, asking whether the date would suit them. And when I have a general idea who's coming, the amount of people that are coming, I booked a location, which is step 2. And then step 3 is to create the games for the event. And that's what I've done with my housemate Anna. We brainstormed together and came up with several games. The 4th step actually wasn't planned, but some people were like, oh, are there gonna be prizes? And we were like, yeah, that might encourage people to be more competitive. So step 4 was to buy a prize. Anna was eventually like, okay, maybe it's more fun to receive a goodie bag. So yesterday I went to the xoxo and bought some products to assemble a goodie bag. Prize for number 1: soju, aloe vera, drink, seaweed snack, ramen, Korean pancake mix, and cookies. Assembling prize 2.
Assemble!
Soju, budok aram, twice, ichi mochi.
And we got the seaweeds and the cookies.
Price 1 and price 2. But it looks pretty good and I hope people will like this. And the 5th step is to work everything out in detail because we originally planned the event to do this with a small group of friends, but it turned out to be a group of 24-25 people, which is pretty big and it would require more organization and structure. So yeah, it took me 2.5 hours to work everything out. I think if you have a great foundation, everything will go more smoothly. Okay, we are ready to rumble!
Welkom bij de sportdag van Leo.
Ja!
Camera. En Mila.
Zeg hallo tegen de vlog. Kijk, de extra man, de extra man.
En waar die staat.
Hallo.
Hoi.
De clown.
Dat blijkt toch niet?
Ik wil niet bewegen.
Hallo, hallo, zeg hallo tegen... Oh ja, hij is shy, hij is shy. Oh. Hallo. Yeah. Nog meer shy people hier.
Wacht even niet.
Jeting, the man, the man. Ben jij team 2?
De punten eerlijk verdeeld worden, of ik heb heel schrikkelijk gemaakt. Houden. Zie het in de vlog. De laatste 5 mensen die overblijven, krijgen 1 punt. En de laatste loslopen, of in de hoek komt, mag onder stilstaan.
Hoi, hoi, hoi. Hey daar.
applausje voor Mila voor het organiseren. Wie? Anna ook.
Beste cameraman.
Leuk dat jullie allemaal hier waren.
Ja, thanks voor al jullie komst. Was het ooit hoe Sense Asia was gestart, toch? Wij zijn nu concurrenten, just saying. Thanks, Lisa! Bye! Tot volgende vlog. Het meest awkward.
Bye.
Hoe dit?
Peace out.
Zwaaien! Woe! Daarachter is... Cheers! Cheers! Oh, thanks.
Ja, maar hij is
Maar, ja, en dan met zeg maar. Oh!
It was really fun yesterday. I had a great time and I hope other people as well. I want to thank them all for coming, helping me setting everything up and coming up with suggestions during the game. And yeah, it was a bit chaotic because the group was so big and sometimes it was difficult to get all the attention of everyone. But it went all fine, and we definitely organize this more often despite the stress and the effort, because it's so nice to bring people together and it gives such a good feeling. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next